It's Jelly Bean! Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna be.
Originally from home.
I just found it in this house.
It's Jelly Beans with Tithums. Hey guys, what's up? I'm chilling here with Penny, and I got new specs, so yeah, I can see.
Wish I had new specs.
Anyway, yeah, I haven't done a video in a while, so we're gonna do one here now.
A little short one.
A little short one, just a little short one. It's about all the crazy dumb sounds around America. Well, not around America, but around the world too. And it's kind of getting annoying, so some people put. Anyway, yeah. So here's our input about it and stuff, so we'll get back to you. Hey, and about the crazy sounds. I think the crazy sounds, to me, they sound like blah, 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 and stuff, you know? It's just like an awkward little tiny thing, and everything, it goes blah, 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 and passes by another place, and maybe it'll go this way and make another sound like blah, 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 and then pass again, you know? No one knows. And we'll get Jenny's input, and her sounds like blah, 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 blah. So yeah. So Jenny, what are your theories on the strange sounds?
I don't know. It just kind of sounds like
Blah, 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 blah.
And then they hear it like all over the world, and it sounds like
Blah, 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 blah.
They all sound the same.
Blah, 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 blah.
It's just weird, annoying, and just yeah.
Yeah,
I can't say anything about it that much.
You can't. They sound all the same. Blah, 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 blah. So yeah, that's our theory about strange sounds. Comment below about your theory about strange sounds.
And subscribe.
Subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. Well, that wasn't really a theory, but it was kind of like, you know, what they sound like around the world.
And
everything,
comical.
you know. And what we think really is about the sounds around the world is the plates, you know, they're colliding, making the earth groan and moan. Ooh. I think it's her monthly.
Gee.
Anyway, yeah, you guys, subscribe, like, dislike, comment below about your theory and everything.
Obviously, the earth is going through a phase.
Yeah, it's growing. So proud of it.
What do you mean shrinking?
You don't shrink in size. You grow. Look at J-Lo's lips.
Don't you mean Angelina Jolie?
Angelina Jolie. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm tired, so.
Let's get out of here before we say something more.
My glasses are like. Anyway, yeah. Alright, then.
Bye.
We're out of here. We're gonna fly. Before, like, this Domo attacks us. It's gonna attack you. Theories can't be theories.